Welcome, everyone. Welcome to the information session for the accounting program. My name is Kathy Zhao, and I'm excited to talk with you today about accounting. Let's get started. So here is the agenda for today. Once you attend the information session live today, you will get a discount after the information session. So should be in a day or two, you will receive the follow-up email with the coupon code. And I will go through the certificate and the course information, the enrollment options, logistics, and the pricing, and how to finance your education. At the last of the information session, we will do a Q&A. Okay. So just for attending today's information session, you will receive $100 off for your first class with us. We will be sending out a follow-up email in the next day or so. Please note this offer cannot be combined with any other discounts. Okay, so given our very limited time today, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on our program structure. So you can find a lot of information on the website as well. And also, I encourage you to contact me after the information session. I will put my calendar in the link. My calendar is up to date. Feel free to schedule a one-on-one meeting either by phone or by Zoom meeting, so I can help you to discuss the best plan for you. And as you can see, there are two accounting programs here, accounting principles as well as accounting specialist. So completing the coursework in both certificates can help you to meet accounting educational requirements for the CPA exam. And you can take them concurrently. Also, you will need to be aware of the prerequisite. We are following a quarter system. So there are 4 quarters in a year. Each quarter is about 3 months long. And we generally recommend that people who are working full-time just take 1 course per quarter. All the classes are online, and you can see it is 4 quarter units for the academic credits per class. You can do the whole certificate, or you can take individual class. So the first certificate we offer is the Principal Certificate. This certificate is perfect for individuals with no accounting experience or very little experience, or those who may be working in the field, but who don't have formal or recent coursework. Accounting Principal Certificate program offers core coursework. It is very similar to an undergraduate manner. As you can see, there are 4 classes included, Principles of Financial Accounting. This is a prerequisite for all the other courses within the 2 accounting programs. But also, you can take it separately before you are going to take all the other classes, or as well as you can take concurrently with other class. And Intermediate Accounting Part 1, this is a prerequisite before taking the Intermediate Accounting Part 2. So make sure once you're done with the Principles of Financial Accounting, taking Intermediate Accounting Part 1 before Intermediate Accounting Part 2. And the last class is the Principles of Cost of Accounting. And we are offering classes every quarter in differently. So as you can see, the classes from the website are offering on a quarter basis. You will need to begin with the Principles of Financial Accounting. But if you do think you have taken similar class as similar to our Principles of Financial Accounting, feel free to email me the transcript. The coursework should be done within 5 years, and then I can forward your transcript to our program manager to see if you are eligible to waive the prerequisite class. So the next certificate is a specialist certificate. It is designed for those who already have accounting experience and or accounting coursework. So for example, if you minored in accounting as an undergraduate study, this would be the right program for you since you have already had the core courses. And once again, the Principle of Financial Accounting is the required prerequisite for all of these courses. So which means that if you are not interested in the accounting principle certificate program, make sure that you have the prerequisite course ready, or you are going to take our prerequisite course, then you can go ahead, take our accounting specialist program. And there are 5 courses in total, as you can see. The auditing is offered in spring, individual income taxation is offered in fall, and accounting for government and nonprofit organizations is only offered every summer quarter, once a year. Financial statement analysis in fall and spring, and ethics in accounting offered in winter. So if you are interested in any of these 5 classes, make sure to check with me if you meet the prerequisite. And you are not required to take the principal certificate prior to pursuing the specialist program. You will need to only meet the prerequisite course requirements. So these courses can be taken in any order. So please know that they are each offered only once per year or maximum twice a year, with the exception of financial statement analysis. So you can see our quarter offering on our website every quarter. Okay, so let's go through how you can enroll in the class. You can pursue our certificates in 2 ways. One is at your own pace, which means that you enroll in the certificate program and take course on the schedule that suits you. And you will just need to pay 1 course at a time on a quarter basis. And you will need to the enrollment for every class as well. And you have 5 years to complete all the required courses within the certificate. Let's say, for example, if you start in this summer and in the fall, you have obligation, you cannot take class in fall. You still can continue with the certificate program in next year within 5 years. And you will need to pay the certificate registration. That is one-time payment only, $125. There will be some other discounts, let's say early bird enrollments, the information session discount, and some other discounts from the website as well. Here, you can see our summer class starting in June 26th. So the summer quarter starts on June 26th and ends up on September 17th. And here are all the courses we are offering. Accounting for governmental and nonprofit organization from specialist program, and all the other 3 classes will be from the principal certificate program. The other option for you to enroll in the program is called a fast track. So which means that you are committing to set course plan. You will need to still take 1 course per quarter continuously, but this plan is read for you, just you are committing to the whole certificate program, and you will need to, you cannot change the course plan. You will just need to do one-time enrollment and pay the lump sum tuition, but with the steepest tuition discount, 15% off, and you have the priority to enroll in the class every quarter. Additional information is that for those who is interested in sitting for the CPA exam, if you are taking all 9 of our courses, meets the 36 quarter units, including ethics in accounting course. But still, I recommend you visiting the CA, California Board of Accountancy, the website. You will see all the other requirements, as we cannot advise you on all the other requirements other than accounting educational requirements. So you will need to find out more useful information on the CA, California Board of Accountancy. There is also some CPA prep website, let's say background test prep. So you can find out more information there. Okay. Now let's get into pricing for the program. For the pricing, the textbook are not included and run about 100 to 200 per course. That really depends on where you are going to purchase online. There is no specific bookstore you need to go to. We will post the information for the textbook, so you can search online, see where you can purchase the affordable textbooks. If you are going with the fast track bundle for the accounting principle certificate program, the total cost is $29.92 in full at the time in enrollment, and already with the 15% off. you can save $528 on the cost of the program. If you are going to enroll one course at a time and pay as you go, the individual course is $880 per course and make a total of $3,520. And there is another $125 certificate fee. For the fast track, the $125 certificate fee has already been included. For the accounting specialist program, fast track, the tuition is $37.40 in full, so you can save $660. And for your at your own pace, $880 the same, and total of $4,400. The textbook are approximately $800 in total. Okay, so we have covered pricing. Now let's talk about how you can finance your education. So if you are interested in exploring funding from private loans or government assistance, such as the veteran education benefits or workforce training, please contact our student services team. And there is a finance advisor, Suzette. She can help you with the VA funding, special workforce training, and the private loan. You can see her contact information here. Here we have just launched a new free career resource for our students. This is a free career resource platform. So in here you can see what is a platform looks like, and what you can get is that you can refine your professional goals. You can get your resume updated. So there is all the other interview or job openings in the platform as well. Okay. Next step. So here you have already heard all of our program. It's time for the next step. Summer classes start on June 26th and are open for enrollment now. If you are interested in doing the fast track, you will want to enroll in that specific section from the website. Also, I will be emailing you for all the follow-up information, including the link to financing your education, the code for your $100 coupon code, and additional information for the CPA website. And if you have any additional question, do not hesitate to contact me. Here you can see my Calendly, my email address, and feel free to email me or schedule a one-on-one meeting either from Zoom or from phone call. Okay, so here let's start as the Q&A. Feel free to enter your question in the Q&A box. I'll be able to answer the questions. Meanwhile, let's launch a poll. Yeah, feel free to jot down my Calendly link as well as my email address so that we can discuss one-on-one about your academic plan. And also feel free to enter the questions to the Q&A box. I'll be able to answer the questions now. What is the duration of the fast track program? Thank you for your question. Yeah, for the fast track, we have a fast track program, the enter point for every quarter. That's really depends on which quarter you entered into the fast track, because there will be some quarter you will need to skip. So typically, in general, for the fast track, either roughly from 12 to 15 months. Any other questions? They are SDR for students. SDR. Is there a link to review this information? You mean today's presentation? Oh yeah. Feel free to email me so that also I will send you should be by end of tomorrow. I will send you the follow-up email, including recorded the information session link, so you can watch it again. Oh, the slides. I can try to make a slides like a PDF version so that I can send to you. Feel free to email me. Yes, we do have a special accommodation for special needs students. Yeah, if you can feel free to email me that we can see what kind of special accommodation we can make for you. But we did have students before. What is the difference between the different tracks and the programs? Okay, for the options to enroll in the program, there are two options. One is enroll in this whole certificate at once and pay the tuition at the lump sum tuition with a discounted rate. The other one is that you can enroll the course as you go and pay as you go. So these are the two different options for you to enroll in the program. But all the courses are the same. It's just the matter of payment options. That's the 12 to 15 month include the prerequisite course. That really depends on which program are you going with. So if you are going with the accounting principle program, the prerequisite course is part of the accounting principle certificate program. If you are going with the accounting specialist, but you don't have prerequisite course, which means that you need to start with the prerequisite course, bundled with the accounting specialist program. So that will take longer. What does YO stand for? That is workforce innovation for usually for people unemployed. They looking for unemployment benefits and with the workforce training. Oh yeah, sure, no problem. I will send you the recording. Do you have to be a UC Davis student to enroll? No, you don't need to. We are from UC Davis Continuing Professional Education. So it is open enrollment program. You just need to enroll in the class or enroll in the fast track program. Are there any other prerequisite course other than principles of financial accounting? No, this is the only prerequisite. So for this one is the principles of financial accounting, and the other two classes you will need to follow the order, which is intermediate accounting part 1 prior to intermediate accounting part 2. Would I qualify for traditional scholarships if it's considered continuing education? No, there's no scholarship for this program or financial aid. Is there any other question, or feel free to jot down my email? And also I will be also sending it out in the follow-up email, including the CPA website, including the summer quarter enrollment link. Okay, let's see. Let's stay on 1 more minute. Okay, perfect. Yeah, feel free to reach out to me. As you can see my email and my calendar link. I would like to discuss furthermore with you to help you with your academic plan. Thank you, and you have a great rest of your day.